In this video, I'll show you how to create recurring tasks in Asana. So to get started, go ahead and open Asana on your browser and then sign in to your Asana account. Head over into the project where you want to create a recurring task and then click on this Add Task button at the top left of this project to add a task. Now in here, go ahead and create the task name. And then after you name this task, go ahead and set the due date of this task. So this is very important since this is where you can make this task recurring. So make sure to set the date and then after that click on set to repeat to be able to make sure that this task is recurring. So you can set it to weekly, daily, monthly, yearly, depending on your preference. So after this, you can go ahead and set the status and priority of this specific task. And that is how you can basically create recurring tasks in Asana. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.